Hello, and welcome back to Rum Builder. It's been a while. Well, let's see, let's look at this. So, the F-150 saga. My kid graduated high school and is now in her second year of college. Back to why I staged that impromptu sit down with you, and I'm gonna tell you what's been going on. A lot, actually. I just haven't had the camera around. We last left you with the truck saga. I shot many videos that I never aired because, let's be honest, do you really want to see a video that looks like the video from the week before and the week before of me just not finding anything wrong with the truck that is causing it to do what it did? I mean, I had tons of video. I didn't like it. Not having a working truck led to me not making it to a lot of races. And if I'm not making it to races, then, I mean, what are you guys gonna watch? Just me driving around in an old truck around where I live and not going fast, and then a truck dying every freaking 10 seconds. I mean, it was rough. Like, I hit a wall with that thing like 30 times. Then I thought I fixed it. I really did. I placed the distributor, everything worked. I drove that truck for a month, no issues whatsoever. Entire month of perfect F-150 glory. So much so that I got a false sense of security, and I replaced the air conditioning, I replaced the shocks and the struts, I replaced the headlights and taillights, I got the windows tinted, put a gnarly stereo system in it, and then it just started doing what it used to do. So I thought, okay, well, this distributor went bad. No, that wasn't it. Finally, sat down one day, I was thinking really hard, and well, I didn't video it, but it went a little something like this. Why won't you work? I try and I try. I spend money, I spend time, I don't do anything, I don't race anymore. All I do is try to fix you. Wish you would tell me what you need. Lord, tell me what my truck needs. I think that's it. What if I do this? And then this. I think I fixed it. Hey honey, the truck works! Yep, that's right. I don't have the F-150 anymore. Well, that's only partially true. Now I have a new F-150, and this intro has basically gone to just me telling you, I'm back. I've been racing again. I've raced the new truck. I've raced the rally car. Hopefully soon, we'll get this thing going again. The old Ranger, which, more on that later. Like I said, a lot has happened. But, long story short, enjoy this video. This is the new F-150. This is da Fitty. The F-150 situation is handled, and let me show you how I did it. Yep, this is a 2025 F-150 single cab short bed. Come right around here. That's right, 4x4. This is a four-wheel drive. This is basically, you know, the Mexican GTR that you're seeing all over the street racing and stuff like that. It's got the Coyote 5.0, the 10-speed automatic, transfer case, front rear diff, 373 gears. It's in my favorite color, as you know, from all of my other newer cars. I love this dark gray that Ford makes. It's changed a little bit. This is I think this is carbonite gray as opposed to magnetic gray of the Mustang. But there's, you know, something cool about this truck. Let me show you. Oh, you know it. You already know it. You already know it. Let's do it. Wait. Don't look. Ready. That's right. Gen 6, Stage 1, Whipple. I got a little dumb. 720 horsepower, factory warranty. Pretty freaking cool. And no, there's gonna be no installation video of the supercharger because it came like this. But there's one thing that I don't like about it. That's gotta go, right? I mean, this thing, it just looks like a plain Jane truck. I gotta make sure that my tow truck to tow my rally car is cooler than my rally car. So we're about to go install a full ride tech suspension with traction bars. It's gonna be cool. It's really windy, so let's get back to the shop and let's go have some fun with this truck. All right, so we're here with a box of goodies. This is the Ride Tech suspension kit. Got the instructions, and for once in my life, I'm actually gonna look at instructions. I know it's weird, but you know, I'm dealing with big dog stuff now, and well, big dog stuff is expensive. So I'm about to get working on this.
Looks amazing.
Does it look level?
I think so.
Oh, she's low.
How low can you go?
Oh, she's nasty. Oh. Well, got a couple things left to do. Had one issue, had a strip thread on a U-bolt, but Ride Tech, I mean, on the spot, 2-day shipping, got me the parts I needed. Wow, this is pretty rad. Now, final torque, and check the ride height, make sure it's level side to side, but we're gonna shake her out a little bit and see how she goes. If you're wondering what happened to the white truck, I did not set it on fire like I threatened to. I didn't roll it off a cliff. I actually sold it to Ryan Wing from Car Chronicles on YouTube. So you can check him out in the description. I'll have a link to his newest video with the truck in it, where he is proceeding to have all of the same problems that I did. It's cathartic to watch. I feel bad for him. He took on my burden, but he did it willingly. He actually bought my Thunderbird recently because I did actually have to make room for this truck. This was a pretty big investment. You wouldn't even call it, this was a pretty big expense. And I just decided that it wasn't worth it to keep missing races and not uploading videos, trying to fix that truck. And I had been wanting one of these things for quite a while. And it finally came time to where I was able to do it. Karina and I just decided it's time to have some fun. And gosh darn it, is this thing fun.
Let's turn. Oh my god! Oh my god! Whee! Oh my gosh!
Holy shit, that makes a difference.
Nope! Oh dang, that was quick.
So until next time, get out there, build something, drive something, and don't let me be the only one having fun.